Today I'm going to show you how to sign up and use Indition Alerts. So from our Indition Alerts homepage here, you can either click Get Started Today or just sign up. You'll be taken to the sign up page. Here, all we need to do is sign up. Whatever you enter in this company name field, we're automatically going to enter down here, which we use as your account name, and that'll be used for the subdomain. So you'll see that your account ends up being demosignup.inditionalerts.com. So when you're done with this, sorry, this was an email. When you're done with this, you'll see this pop up appear, and this is when we're creating your account. Once the account's created, you'll be brought over there to first set your password. The email address that you signed up with can be used as your username. Also, the beginning of the email address before the @ symbol can also be used as your username. So here, set your password. There are some requirements to meet over here on the right. Once you're brought to the second page, you can see that we are giving you the details of your free trial. Down below are also the plan options if you want to upgrade. So the free trial is for 3 days, which you can see at the top here. And you have the ability to create 3 different contacts and unlimited send rates for that, so you can test out all the sends that you want using your new contacts. So from the dashboard here, you'll see that we have creating a quick alert. But before you create an alert, you're going to want to have contacts to be able to send an alert message to. So here you can see we have Add Quick Contact. So you can click that, or you can go over here into our navigation and click Contacts, which will take you to the Manage Contacts page where you can also add contacts. So what I'll do is I'll say Add Quick Contact. We'll say Demo Contacts. In here, you can just provide a few details. We do have an option to add custom fields in here as well. Choose the email, so I'll do info@indition.com, and then a phone number. For each email you add to a contact, you can subscribe them to receive emails or not. And also for each phone number, you can choose whether you want that contact to receive SMS text messages from you in your alerts, and also text-to-voice calls from you. So you might have one phone number in here that's a house phone and you don't want to send SMS, or it's a mobile phone and you only want to send SMS. So we'll hit save. Now we have our first contact. This is that Manage Contact screen I was mentioning, where you can also click Create Contact. Separately, you can create contact lists. What that is just a segment, a curated list of contacts for one reason or another, maybe separated by office location or state. In here you can just give it a name. Once you're done with that, we can go to Added Contacts, where you have the options to add in contacts to the list. So in here you can import a contact list, which I'm not going to show you right now. Basically, you select a file you want to import, map the columns in the file to the fields, and it'll import the entire list as contacts. I'm just going to add from existing because I just created a contact. So I'll choose that contact I had already created, say Add Selected Contacts, and then that's just a quick option to save my contact list. That's the same thing as if I exit out of here and just hit save here as well. I now have my contact list, my 1 added contacts, and go back to my Manage Contact List page, and we'll see that I have my contact list. Now, if we wanted to send an alert, I can go back to the dashboard here. And now I do have a contact list, and I can just select all contacts, and my message would be delivered to my one contact I created. Next up, for an alert, what you're going to want to do is choose your method of communication. So you might want to send an email, text, text-to-voice call, or all three, or just two of the three. Let's say for this one, I'm just going to send out an SMS text. What's going to happen is down below, you're going to see that now you can choose whether you want to send this alert message using an existing message or whether you want to create a new message for it. So I have new selected here. If I toggle this to existing, we're going to see this list of existing messages. And that brings me to my next point, is that we can create messages that are ready to be used when you need them. So that can be accessed using this Manage Messages quick link here, or you can create a new message here. That's also available under the Alerts navigation menu. Go to Manage Messages. So here we don't have a message, but we can create one. We'll say demo message. You can choose a different category. You can manage the list of categories yourself. In here, you can also choose which communication type you want this message to be configured for. So if I want it to be available to be sent via SMS and text to voice, I can do that. And I'll say, this is a demonstration message. In my message builder, I mean, that's all you need to do to create a message. Right now I could hit create message and I'm done. Since I do have text to voice selected, you'll see over here that we have this little icon. That lets you preview the text to voice audio recording. So essentially what we do is we convert your written text here to an audio file. Here you can choose the voice you want to use and then also the speed. And then what you would do is you'd hit preview audio. So if I said Amy and medium preview, you're going to see that we have this demonstration and it's going to read out that message you have there. And if you make any changes here, we do have some default settings, but you can hit use selected voice. I'll hit cancel. And now I created a message. So we have a pre-built message here. We have a contact list. We have a contact. Now all we need to do is send an alert. So to do that, we can do a quick alert or we can do a scheduled alert. So quick alert is what you see on the dashboard there. It's the quickest way to send out an alert. You can just choose the contacts, choose how you want to send it, and then write the message, and then send. You can also choose send an alert, and that'll bring you here and it gives you a few more options. One of those being you can name your alert. So let's say demo alert. Again, you can provide a category. Now here's the difference, is that now you can send now, or we can choose to send this later. So if you know you want to send out an alert at a specific date and time, you can do that here. So I can say next Friday at 6 a.m. Now down below, you'll see that this is the exact same interface. So you select your contact list or you do all contacts. So I'll choose my one contact list. If you had multiple contact lists, you can select them all. I'm gonna send via SMS and text to voice. And I wanna choose my existing message. So you'll see that I do have my message available here. If I chose email, you'll see now I don't have my message available because that message I created was just for SMS and text to voice. So I can choose my demo message, or if I want, I can do a new message. When you create a new message in Alert, that message is going to be saved as a message you can reuse later on after your alert is created. So here I can say new message created within an alert. And when I hit create alert, what's going to happen is my alert has been created. It's scheduled to be sent out next Friday, like I selected, at 6 a.m. You'll see the different types of communication methods I'm using my alert. From this screen, Manage Alerts, you can choose to edit this alert. This is only available because this is a scheduled alert. If that alert had already taken place, then you cannot edit it. We can view that alert, and I'll show you what that looks like. So you can just go in there and quickly see an overview of that alert that you have configured. You can choose the contacts that are going to be notified, and then also you can delete an alert. And that is a basic overview of all the different pieces you need to sign up for Indition Alerts and also to get started and start sending out alerts to different contacts. I hope that helps you. Have a great day.